FCNR deposits are not risk-free. As an NRI, here are 6 risks you should be aware of. Just like any fixed deposit, FCNR deposits carry bank credit risk. If the Indian bank faces financial trouble, your deposits could be affected. This becomes even more important if you have borrowed money overseas to create the deposit, because the foreign loan will still have to be repaid. Fortunately, this risk is relatively low when dealing with India's largest and strongest banks. FCNR deposits are tax-free only if you have an NRI or an RNOR status. If you plan to return to India in the next few years, think carefully about the tenure of the deposit you choose. For returning NRIs, FCNR deposits will be tax-free only till they retain their RNOR status. The interest rate on your FCNR deposit is fixed when you make the deposit. If you are using leverage, borrow at a fixed rate. If your loan is on a floating rate and borrowing costs go up, you can even be at a loss. If your loan is in pound or euros and your FCNR deposits are in dollars, then exchange rate movements will impact your returns. Keep the borrowing and FCNR deposit currency the same. Premature withdrawal is possible, but it comes with penalties. So only invest the money you are reasonably sure you won't need before maturity. Some FCNR deposits pay interest only at maturity. If your loan requires periodic interest payments, you will need to make those payments from your own pocket until the deposit matures. FCNR deposits are a great opportunity for NRIs, but like any investment strategy, understanding the risks is just as important as understanding the returns.